I have a pin here at the center back to know where my center back is, and the next thing I'm going to do is measure around the shorts. The reason why I'm doing this is so I know how much I'm going to cut out for my band. So I'm going to go ahead and measure round. Make sure to take your time when you're doing this because sometimes numbers can be missed. So end at one number and continue as you go till you get to the center where you started from. Right now I have that. Mine is 41 and quarter. I'm going to go ahead and get a band and measure at least 41.5. The reason why I'm adding half is so when we close it, half is going to go as the closing allowance. So here I have a band of 1/4 inch. I'm just going to go ahead and measure what I have here, and you see I have 41.5. Okay, and then for my elastic I did my waist measurement minus 5. You can do 5, 6 or 7. I did 5 for mine. Okay, now that we have that in check, I'm going to go ahead and infuse the elastic into the band. Please, if you don't understand what I'm saying, you can watch what I'm doing. And then I'm going to use my pin to hold it down because elastics move a lot and we don't want that, because we're going to also drag it towards the other side and infuse it as well, more like a sandwich, and then use the pins to hold it. So I'm going to go over to my sewing machine now, and as I sew I'm going to go ahead and stretch. So this is what it's supposed to look like when you're sewing. We'll go back to the sewing machine and we'll close the top part. You want to make sure also that your elastic is at the top of the band, and then you go ahead to sew. Let's go back to the sewing machine. Now this is what I'm doing, right? I'm just doing this, and then as I sew I pull. That's very important. If you do not pull, right, if you don't pull, the elastic will not fit into the band. It will just not be enough. So I would advise that you pull as you sew so everything would merge and be same. Okay y'all, this is the final result and this is what it looks like. You can go ahead actually to add a third stitch to yours if you so desire, but this is what I wanted at this point on this very short. I hope you get to try this out for yourself and I hope yours comes out good. With that being said, y'all, please do not forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified when I post a new video. Don't forget to love yourself because I love you. Have a beautiful day or night, whichever it is usually for. Bye.